Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Currently, not much happening, just a bit of sideways movement, no unusual developments here. Just really to confirm we're still on track to possibly come down lower. We had a bit of a recovery here, probably setting up Ethereum for another dip. That's of course not guaranteed to maintain the current wave count, which would suggest us to get into the region between 1150 and 1200. We would need to stay below the 1360 level, or ideally even below 1340. Yeah, so you can see we're making here at the moment lower highs but also higher lows, but yeah, ideally if this could be a combination of 1-2 setups or an ABC with a 1-2 starting now, and then the next wave down should be a wave 3, which should be quite an impulsive sell-off. To be honest, best indication this is starting would be a move below 1264, but as soon as you see us breaking below the most recent swing low, that might already be the trigger at 1311. But overall important is to say that the bearish count, well, let's say short-term bearish count, where we would expect one more low here, is valid as long as we stay below, first of all, 1338. That's the absolute current count, yeah. But if we go above 1400 more generally, then I think we have to say the low is in. So to keep it simple, below 1400, I still think we see another low, but we might have to change the internals here. If we stay below 1340, 1338, 1338 basically, 1340, that region, then we can maintain the current count. Otherwise, we may have to move the wave B a little bit higher, yeah. But that's not a problem as well. It would then just be an extended ABC before we come down. But for that, again, we need to hold the $1,400 level and then could come further down. Other than that, this is just a bit of consolidation here at the moment on Saturday. Sideways movement. This could very well have been already the wave A, here the wave B, and this is a 1-2 setup. Again, 1-2 setups happen always on all time frames. They are normally good entry points. Now I'm not telling you what to do, but this is currently retracing to the 78.6% fib level here at 1338 pretty much, yeah, of the wave, the retracement here of that wave 1, yeah. And this is always a good retracement point. Could be a trade setup, but again, I'm not telling you what to do, I'm just analyzing here. But at the moment, this is one setup where we could look at possibly going lower from here. That's why that 1338 level is so important, because it is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. But as I said, even a move above that level all the way up to 1400 would not damage or break the, let's say, short-term bearish scenario where we can look at one more low. However, as I said as well, the low could already be in. Therefore, risk management, I already bought some ETH, actually a larger portion here at 1250. As I said before, and I will buy once more if we get into the region between 1150 and 1200. That is, if we make another low. Ideally, looking at proportions, it would be nice to make one more dip here in this wave 5 of C of 2. It would be nice to make one more low. It doesn't need one because we already came into my target area. That means the larger correction, the requirements for this correction have been fulfilled, and we can also count 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the last wave would be very short. Therefore, I'm ideally looking for one clearer wave down. We're always looking for the ideal patterns, and then from this area I would expect the reversal to the upside. Important to remember that a break below the $1,000 level would damage the overall scenario here, yeah. So that means we could, even in this scenario, we could extend the last leg down all the way to $1,000 without invalidating it. So that's quite important to know. Overall, here we see a few bullish divergences on the RSI. You can see that on the 4-hour chart, where we're making actually lower lows on the price chart, but we start to make higher lows on the RSI. So we're doing that. Also on the, let's see, did we do anything here? Yeah, we're also on the MACD. You see bullish divergence on the 4-hour. So we can't ignore that, but that's why I say we're probably close to the end of this decline. Again, there could be one more dip. That would be my primary expectation. But if we move above 1400, then my take will be that the low is already in and that we're moving up to or into wave 3. So that's my update about ETH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.